ni mangi ka ikainga. Shh, e yo puka ninga. Oi fa kolu aku. Fa kwale mau semengu. Kasi para aku. The difference between schools in New Zealand and schools in Samoa. Sorry, miss, I'm late. Excuse me, young lady. Oh, what man? I beg your pardon? And why are you late? Again? Now the bus broke down. Duh. Leisha, the bus breaks down every single day with you. Go to the office and get a late pass. I'm sick and tired of this. Sick and tired. No, I'm not going to the office to get a late pass. It's not my fault the bus broke down. Gosh, you give me a headache. Take a seat. Tina. Alicia, could you please stop throwing papers around the room? Oh, chat, miss. Speak to me. Hey, miss, what did you do this weekend? Your chap. Shut up, Alicia, go to the principal's office right now. Miss, it's not my fault. He's annoying, yes. Fuck, get away, Bro, shut up, I'll come there and knock your teeth out. Right now, Alicia, go! Oh, why do I have to go to the principal's office? Falangap sola me wek wai me lao. Mamu sau ai par pa o no ko ka vali sa vali me lo le o. Ya, o par pa o ko ka vali. We va ya ku yo lava lava. Ma au li o. O ko au li ma po o fu na o sa vali me lo le o la o le o sa vili lo fa pe lo o fu. Ya okay. Fa me lo me o ngai kire ke mo fu la. O fe la me o. Sorry, love to my lay ma, you know me on her lang. I am a come my young po. So, 7 minutes. Yeah, okay for me. Officer. Single, come with by. Come with make my by. Come gay, come make my by. Going for you. Oh, me going. Question, Cassia. No, what do I say? That's But like every time I ask my Samoan mom if I can get a tattoo, it's like World War III. Like she'd be like, "Hey mom, Olea, can I get a tattoo?" A tattoo. Yeah, wai fia ka alenga fia ka me ngai lo ki wa. Nga o kingi ki le ku fa wela ko ba poi o lu mala wala ke le la le o ka me la ko king. Like I just want you and Dan's name on my arm. Ele ai mali ai isaya o me ngai fa bin koko. How about a kaulima? Se so ya la ngi ki fa so ma ki a polo. How about a kauvai? Shh, kuloa. Kulo me kuloa. Oh, how about a malu? Oh, how about you kapungi the mouth your walk no sasso so lie.
Fuck Jimmy. Gee, this is Black Power trying to stick with Salty. Hey, who's also? Salty right there then.
Yo, 2015 is Colombia. Okay, folks, I have to apologize. Miss Universe 2015 is Philippines.
Is it too late now to say sorry?
Man, I always get fussy for this. Hey, kau suka melo ako lay lumang living room lay kung makeup e mai sa ifayo makeup la kuweng awal fangal kuweng. Fiyere ako. Mom, la fiyere kau suka fair. Kamay lay lumang living room alalay sa mea. Okay, la kulo la kau suka mai mawa. Mawalo malo yung ngaya ay lolo fuspa ula song kere leong. Kau su e falle man ako nga. Malakwa e man huko ule kau su e momora ako. Fai ako rin niya, fai maya. Sini. Ne ako kaya. I can't find it, Mom. Saula wa mawala yung. See, there's nothing, Mom. I feel like I'll shoot it. Shh. Sao? I'll say, kaya sa miya liya. What's man?
Woo! I'm just in my zone. You'd be lying if you said I wasn't something that you're into. Don't be starting in front of you.
Shower? Nigga, I'm showering first. Get lost. Let's see how much you like your shower now. Run.
Scissors. Yeah. Scissors. Yes. Rock. Yeah. Rock. Scissors. Oh, where's your boy?
Just practicing my new hoverboard. The best.
Well, tonight we could be more than friends. Well, tonight.
You hold that jail tight. I'm gonna go put this in his mouth and you hold it tight. Oh my god. Stop wiggling the damn tail. That's why he's biting hard. Shit. Keep your eye on him. Yeah, push. Yeah, push. Just gonna say a short prayer and we start. Dear Lord above the sky, please let my family win the lotto tonight. Amen. Thank you. Just gonna make him open his mouth here. Yep. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna put my head in. Yep. Hold on tight.
You're the man.
Nearly there. Babe,
Yo,
come here. I gotta go to work. I'm going to work now.
someone more somebody off who I fight.
What? For what?
I let me off my for Bengalo Mika. Farm off a Laydunga.
There is nothing wrong with my shirt. Ladies.
Let me let Far Power for Laydunga.
What's wrong with my hair? You're acting up.
I'm gonna fire me up.
Okay. I really think you're tripping. Really. I'm about to be late to work.
Mas só vai o King Lima.
Okay.
Yeah, well, luck. Okay.
Okay. What's wrong with my nails?
Ang ay ako vale o King Lima. Okay, lakwa. Amoy.
Alright, babe. Lava Lord. Fia mali nga oile lakwa ya fangal benga.
Ang mga gabado, love them, my friend. I wouldn't get like.
Babe, why did you fuck that